Let's take a look at parabolas when the vertex of a parabola is not at the origin. So in previous transformations, adding a value to the input or output of a function translates its graph. So let's take a look at this example here. The equation now is a little bit different. Before we had y equals 1 over 4 times p x squared. So now instead of that, because we're translating it, it is going to be y equals 1 over 4 times p x minus h squared plus k. So that looks like our vertex form. The focus is at h comma k plus p, and the directrix is y equals k minus p. Our axis of symmetry is x equals h. So let's draw an example. When p is greater than 0, so when the parabola is opening up, here is our parabola. This is our h comma k, and our axis of symmetry is here at x equals h. Our focus is inside of the parabola, and this is h comma k plus p. So notice all it is that it's shifted to the right, h, and then up, k plus p, or down, depending on what the function is. Then we have our directrix at this line. The directrix is y equals k minus p, so on the opposite side of the focus. This is our directrix. So then when p is less than 0, we know that it's pointed down, and this is very similar. So let's make a parabola pointing down here, or opening down, and then this is our h comma k. The axis of symmetry is on this line, x equals h. Our focus is inside the parabola here. So the focus is at h comma k plus p, and then the directrix, is a line on the opposite side, y equals k minus p. So this is all when the parabola opens up or down. So let's take a look at sideways parabolas. So this equation is similar to the previous equation. So this is now x equals 1 over 4 times p times y minus k squared plus h. So notice that the x and the y are switched, and also the k and the h's are switched. And now our focus is at h plus p comma k, and the directrix is x equals h minus p. Our axis of symmetry is y equals k. So when p is greater than 0, when the parabola opens to the right, this way, let's say here is my h and k, h comma k, the axis of symmetry is at y equals k, it's a horizontal line, and then our focus will be inside, and this is h plus p comma k, however it's shifted up or down, and the directrix is the line here. So that is a vertical line, so x equals h minus p. So if we open up the parabola on the left side, this way, here is our vertex at h comma k. Axis of symmetry is y equals k. Focus is inside, so that point is h plus p comma k. So on the other side is the directrix. So this is x equals h minus p. Okay. Again, just taking a look at it. So if our vertex is at h and k, the h plus p, all that's saying is that it is moved over to, in this case, let's say to the left, and then whatever that p is, okay, how far is that from the vertex? And then on the other side with the directrix, x equals h minus p, again, that's how it's shifted left or right, and then minus that value.